Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series, and this is the second video of the video tutorial on MS Excel. Now in this video tutorial I will explain different ways. I will show you the three ways to convert the rows into columns and vice versa in MS Excel sheets.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
I just opened the Excel. From that, I'm selecting the blank workbook. For this example, I have selected, and notice in the sheet 1, I'm selecting some B column to enter some data. Let's add A, B, C, D, E. Just for the example, I have added some data A, B, C, D, E in this B column. Now my aim is I want to convert this column as a row. I want to display this vertical data into a horizontal data. So for that, we need to select the cells. So once I selected all the cells from A to E, the first step after selecting the cells, right click the mouse, we need to copy the cells. Once I selected the copy, now I want to print this data as a horizontal way in the rows. So I am selecting here in the E9 cell, right click the mouse. Once I click the mouse, notice there is a pop-up window is open. From that there is a paste options. In this paste options, the fourth icon, which is a transpose. So notice here the data has been transposed from columns to rows. Now the second method I will explain. For example, X, Y and Z. And this example also same. Select the three cells. I want to convert from rows to columns. So once I selected the data, the cells, now the first step, we need to copy the cells. Right click the mouse, copy. So once I copy, now I want to paste these cells as a horizontal way. So here I am adding, I want to paste here XYZ as a horizontal, the rows from column to rows. The second method is, once we copy the cells, go to paste, and notice once I click the paste, at the bottom there is a paste special. Select that one, and here we got the paste special pop-up window has been opened. From that, notice at the bottom there is a transpose option. Click on that one, select that one, click OK. So here we got XYZ. The same thing, if you want to convert this horizontal to a vertical from column to cell, let's copy this one, copy it. So once we copy, I want to print here in this M column as in a row. Go to paste, paste special, transpose, click OK. So here we got. Now let's check the third method using the formula. Now I want to print these columns from A, B, C, D, E, transpose formula. First thing, we need to copy the cells. Right click the mouse, copy. Now here the most important step is in this method is we need to select the cells first. Here I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now select the 5 cells here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After selecting the 5 cells, go to this formula bar. Notice that the K11. The K11 is this first cell. Here I am applying the formula is equals to transpose. The transpose I want to transpose A, B, C, D, E into horizontal to vertical, column to rows to column. This A is in E column, capital E, 9th. The row name is 9 and I 9. I is a column, 9 is a row. So here I have selected. Now once we add this transpose and the column names I have added here, Control Shift Enter. So here we got A, B, C, D, E. We need to press the Control Shift and Enter. That's it. These are the methods, 3 methods I have shown to transpose or convert from rows to columns and columns to rows. And the same thing I will do again from rows to columns. From rows to columns, I am selecting again, copy. Once I copy, I am selecting in this C column. We have selected 5, so let's select 5 cells here. Go to the formula bar, is equals to transpose K, which is a column name, and 11, K11 column, K15, See here the columns has been selected. And now Control Shift plus Enter. See here the data has been added from column to rows. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained 3 methods to transpose the data from rows to column and column to rows in MS Excel. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.